Hello everybody, this is a 2010 Mitsubishi Mirage with a twist ignition. So we're going to show you how to start the vehicle in case your fob is dead and you're not able to turn the key, because as you know, once you're in the car, you're able to turn this when it senses the fob. So if that doesn't work, what you do is you remove by pressing the two buttons on the side, right there and right there, clip them in like that, pull out the cap, and then slide the emergency key from the remote. So they're back here, there's a tab. I'm gonna do it with one hand. All right, I push the tab over and slide the key out. Then what you do is you put the key in the ignition, and then you're gonna put the remote on top of it, like this. That's a little tough. There we go. Okay, and then you're gonna use the remote to start it like a regular key. Okay? So right now it reads the chip directly in the key and allows you to start the vehicle. All right, thanks for watching Mitsubishi Lancer 2010 twist ignition, how to start the vehicle. Thanks.